Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's going to be a really fun one and it's going to be very quick as well. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I start off the germination process with my seeds. And what I'm starting off here are cucumber seeds. I tried these last year. I had amazing results. They are hybrid, so I had 100% every single plant and every little flower produced a cucumber. So I've got 4 seeds here, and I'm going to show you how we started off. So I've got a little bit of brown paper here, and I've just got a little bit of water, just water. And I'm just going to spray that in here. I just want to stay away from the seeds from the package. So I'm going to get some, just soak this down, just like that. Nothing fancier than that. And then I'm just going to get these seeds, and I just want to get them going. I'll just place them down. And last year when I did this, I had 100% germination rate. Cucumber seeds are super easy to start off, and it's great to do it like this because you really get a good visual on what's going on. So you don't have to fool around with them in the soil. You just do them like this, and they're large enough that you can just grab them with your fingers or a little set of tweezers and proceed after that. So I'm just going to close this down. I'm going to move these out of here. Spray it down a little bit more. I want to make sure that everything's nice and wet. And I believe last year these started off. They started germinating in 3 days. It was crazy, but amazing little cucumbers. So then I'm going to get these and right into a bag. I've got written, this is an older bag that I use for some basil, but anyway, I'm going to use the same bag. Close it down and make sure that you've got that very, very well closed. Just like that. Perfect. So today is April the 13th. When these start off, I'm going to come back and I'll just show you what they look like. It'll probably be 3 or 4 days, whatever. We'll see what happens with these seeds. So this is going to be a fun one, and I'm going to try to take some really good notes on this because last year I was terrible at taking notes with my plants. So I want to make sure that I get pictures as the plants are progressing as well, and update videos. So that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching.